Hello friends, welcome to H2 Solution and Production. Today we will show how to put tempered glass screen protector. Okay, let's start. First we will remove the old protector. Then we will clean our mobile screen using any clean cloth so it don't have left any dust. And it is the accessory. First one is wet and the second one is dry, and this one is the observer. And now first we will use a wet tissue. We need to clean our mobile screen using wet tissue, and after that we will use the second one, and in the last we will use a blue sticker which is observer. Now after wet tissue we will use a dry tissue. Now we will use dust absorber. Using a dust absorber, we need to ensure that there should be no any dust on our screen protector. Otherwise, if anything is left on our screen, then it will make a bubble. Our screen will not more clear enough. After the cleaning we will implement protector, but before that you need to calculate the exact location where we need to apply our protector. So you need to check the top, left, bottom and side margins, so that when we apply that protector, after that it's hard to remove and apply again. While putting or apply the protector, please ensure that there should be no dust going inside, or you no need to touch your fingers on your screen or on the glass protector, otherwise it will give a bad experience. In the end, you need to use any sticker or any cloth to try to remove as maximum bubbles, but please ensure that these bubbles will automatically remove after usage of mobile, or maybe after 1 to 2 days. All of these bubbles will automatically remove when mobile screen will little hot. So no worry about it, but you need to remove a maximum bubble using your cloth or any tissue paper. It can be dry or wet. Okay guys, thank you. Please subscribe our channel and please like our video. Have a good day. Bye.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.